Another important part of this, of course, will be finding drugs that are effective in treating COVID-19. Shares of Gilead Pharmaceuticals up sharply, at least on potential hope for its drug, Remdesivir. Let's get over to Meg Tirrell and find out what we know and what we don't know about Remdesivir so far. Meg.
Hi, David. Well, we are waiting for those official clinical trial results to come out, but a report last night from Stat News gives us a glimpse into what one hospital treating patients as part of Gilead's clinical trial of its drug Remdesivir saw. Now, this is anecdotal. This is not the final clinical trial results, but what this one hospital, the University of Chicago, saw was they enrolled 125 patients onto these trials, 113 of whom were severe. They said they saw rapid recoveries in these patients' fever and respiratory symptoms. They said nearly all patients were discharged in less than a week, and they saw 2 deaths among all of these patients. But guys, there is a lot of pushback on how much to read into these results because they are not from a formal clinical trial. Brian Scorney at Baird calling the exuberance out of control in a research note saying, quote, "We're cautious on interpretation of what amount to leaked case reports, given the frequency with which we have seen randomized controlled data refute previously encouraging data from small uncontrolled studies." And he points out that while the first data we're looking for from clinical trials will come from Gilead's trial at the end of this month, what really is going to give us an answer is the NIH trial that's expected to read out at the end of May, because that is double-blinded, meaning the people don't know, then the doctors don't know who's on the drug and who's on placebo, and it's being tested against a placebo. So that is sort of the gold standard people look for in terms of proof about whether a drug is working. But guys, we're in an unprecedented situation, and everybody is waiting for something that works, so clearly a lot of hope that this means Remdesivir will. David?